Over here with my brother with all his gadgets, all his doggone drones. That boy got a whole collection of drones, boy. Shit, he don't get it. These are the goggles.
Now, all these drones that you see he having here hanging on the wall, he built these drones. And these drones can fly. I'm talking about they can move. Very, very, very swift. Each drone has a camera, 4K camera attached to them, and they are pretty heavy, which makes it even better because they will be able to sustain high winds. And that 4K camera there, he has 2 cameras on this one, and this is the big boy that he used. This is the area view, and all these drones being flown through virtual, through the goggles, and you use the controller for all these drones, same controller. Pretty smart, pretty smart. I'm looking at getting the vehicle one. That's the controller right there. So I appreciate you guys watching. Until the next one, bye now. Peace, one love.